Hello, and welcome if you are new. If not, then welcome back. Today we're making another delicious meal, and I'm so excited about this one. While we were in Vietnam, we had the chance to try red snapper. Oh my gosh, it was incredible. It just melted in your mouth. I swear, my mouth is watering already, just thinking about it. Anyway, let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, I'm mincing up about 3 large cloves of garlic. Just set that aside for now, we'll use it a bit later. Next, I'm getting the green beans ready. I just trim off the ends and then cut them into roughly 1-inch pieces. Nothing fancy, just quick prep. Now, for the mashed potatoes. I'm using 2 potatoes and I like to dice them up small so they cook faster. I've already got a pot of water coming to a boil and I'm adding a little oil and salt in there. Then in go the diced potatoes. These will cook for about 15 minutes or until they're nice and soft. You'll know they're ready when your fork slides right through without any pressure. While those cook, we can work on the green beans. I'm adding a tablespoon of oil to the pan, and once it's hot, I toss in the beans. For seasoning, I'm keeping it simple: salt, pepper, and a bit of Italian seasoning. But you can totally switch that up and use your favorite blend. We're going to let the green beans cook for about 5 minutes before adding the garlic. That way, the garlic doesn't burn but still adds that great flavor. Let everything cook for about 10 minutes total, stirring every so often so the beans cook evenly. Once you've added the garlic, stir a bit more often to keep it from burning. If you see it browning too fast, go ahead and scoop out the pieces. You'll still get that flavor without burning it. Now, for the star of the dish, the red snapper. In that same pan, add in your fish. It's a delicate one, so be gentle when flipping. Cook for about 3 minutes on each side until it's perfectly done. Okay, this is the hardest part, but totally worth it. Once the potatoes are done, drain them and pop them into a bowl while they're still hot. That's the best time to mash them because they're super soft. I like to add a tablespoon of butter and kind of tuck it under the potato so it melts nicely. Leave it for a couple of minutes, then mash it again so that the butter mixes all the way through. Now I'm slowly adding milk until I get that perfect creamy consistency. Then season with salt and pepper, and I always like a sprinkle of garlic powder for a little extra flavor. I probably used around a 1/4 cup total, but just go slowly because every batch of potatoes is a little different. Now it's time to plate everything. The creamy mashed potatoes, flavorful green beans, and that beautiful red snapper. And that's it for today. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. It really helps more than you know. And I appreciate you so much for sticking around today. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next one.